Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need stubs and the in-game store access first. This gets you into the equipment economy fast. Head to store, then equipment, and open bat packs or look for single bat offers. This is the quickest direct route. Also check season and program reward tracks because they sometimes include metal bats as milestone rewards. Once done, prioritize spending on specific packs or auction access. That gives you control. Make sure to save a cushion of stubs for bidding or instant purchases. Now focus on the marketplace and listing details because buying the wrong bat wastes stubs. Use filters for material, handedness, and attribute boosts so you only see metal bats that fit your swing. Inspect weight and contact versus power trade-offs. Lighter metal bats can boost contact while heavier ones favor power, so match the bat to your playstyle. Place conservative max bids, add promising listings to a watch list, and snipe last minute if needed. If you're unsure, compare recent sale history to avoid overpaying. Once you have the metal bat, equip it immediately in your loadout for Diamond Dynasty or Franchise. Make sure to save the change, because unequipped items won't affect gameplay. Then test it in batting practice to feel timing differences. Require a couple of real game at bats to confirm results. If the bat doesn't appear in your inventory or won't equip, restart the game and check your inventory space, platform online status, and account. That restart often forces a sync and resolves missing item issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.